Mia, I think that Nathan Wyburn boy that makes the toast, the pen toss things, I think he likes the royal family.
Yeah,
What's next?
Russell Jones. Wyt ti wedi gweld yr rhaglen ar S4C? Have you seen Byw yn yr Ardd?
I have.
Wyt ti?
Fi an.
Mae'n hyfryd.
Yeah, he's good.
So mae
Nice.
Russell yn byw mewn tŷ i fyny'r mynydd, up the mountain from me, ac mae patch llysia mawr ganddo fo. He's got a big veg patch, iawn. So we're going to ask him how long he's been cyflwyno, presenting.
Cyflwyno, yes.
Byw yn yr Ardd.
Byw yn yr Ardd.
Yeah, which is the programme he presents, yeah?
Okay.
Ers pryd wyt ti'n cyflwyno Byw yn yr Ardd? Neu, ers faint wyt ti'n cyflwyno Byw yn yr Ardd?
Ers faint wyt ti'n?
Yeah, so literally, how long?
How long?
So, since when?
Since when?
And how long?
Wyt ti'n? Since when, how long?
So, ers pryd wyt ti'n cyflwyno Byw yn yr Ardd?
Ers pryd wyt ti'n cyflwyno yn y gardd?
Byw yn yr Ardd.
Byw yn yr Ardd.
Neu, ers faint wyt ti'n been keeping hens? Cadw ieir.
Cadw ieir.
Cadw
I like the word ieir. You say it with such gusto.
Ieir.
Ieir.
Y sgrin nesa.
Oh, too late. I'm off form.
Okay.
Sut le ydy?
Ti'n cofio, few minutes ago, Gwers Rhyn, we did sut brofiad ydy, what kind of experience is, sut brofiad oedd, what kind of experience was. Iawn? So here we've got sut le ydy.
Sut le ydy?
What's le? Ble?
Where?
Le, where.
Where?
O lle is a place, iawn? So, sut le ydy, what kind of place is?
Pembrey.
I can ask him about, because Russell is very proud of coming from Rhosgadfan.
Rhosgadfan. Is that North Wales?
Yeah. Wedyn, aeth Russell I ffilmio I Africa. He did a programme in Africa.
Really?
Sut le oedd Africa?
Sut le oedd?
Yeah, so what kind of place was
Africa?
Dwi ddim yn siŵr ble aeth e. I'm not sure where he went, so gawn ni ofyn iddo fe.
Oh, Africa's quite small, so...
Yeah, and gyfantir bach. Ac wedyn, sut bethau wyt ti'n...
Sut bethau wyt ti'n...
So what, again, like this, what, sut bethau, what kind of pethau the programme Rhyn presents, like things, actually. Sut bethau wyt ti'n dyfu, what kind of things do you grow ar y patch?
Sut bethau wyt ti'n...
Dyfu.
Dyfu, let's grow.
Or what kind of things do you like? Sut bethau
wyt ti'n hoffi?
Hoffi. Maybe we should edrych ar Russ, a wedyn nawn ni gael Russ ar y soffa, a wneith o gyd clicio mewn I le.
Let's do it. Edrych, gwyliwch o hwn.